I'm sure they were brilliant.
And I'd have been done.
I feel like the Dormouse out of Alice in Wonderland.
Okay.
I just wake up every now and again and I go back.
As long as you do it at the right points,
Yeah.
as long as you fall asleep during the music and then wake up during the talky bits, you know what I mean, Sean, don't you?
Yeah.
You're on it, you're on the ball today, aren't you?
prick.
You're refreshed, you've had a good night.
You're a dickhead, mate.
You've got enough energy to
Wanker.
milk a cow.
Yeah.
Dickhead. Did you see that? Did you see that? Went the bloody wrong way, mate.
It's really hard, and they were sort of watching this cappuccino just really banging on the glass. But just as they walked away, a Monkey World worker walked around the corner and then looked at them and gave them a dirty look, as if it was them right next to the sign saying, "Don't hit the glass."
No, mate.
There's a cappuccino.
Can't just fucking rock up.
Yeah.
What a
Wow,
prick.
there you go.
Dresses of Monkey World.
Yeah,
What a
thanks.
fucking prick.
This is Rod Gilbert.
On BBC Radio Wales.
Hi Rod, Sean and Barry.
Hello.
This is from Ella Dent, regular listener.
Fucking hell, mate.
Your favourite
Saving that one.
And this is earlier on, I said...
Well done.
Out of time. What back for the people you're going for? Oh, if they've been top 10. Charge for Christmas. Possibly the only thing. Oh no, I got you some pans.
Don't forget the pans.
Yeah, I did get you
Oh,
some.
nice.
Yeah.
No,
You
you
can see
go
them
in?
in the
No.
kitchen.
There they are. Oh, they're lovely pans.
Yeah.
Thank you. I bought Sean tickets to go and see. I mean, maybe I'd had a show. It was Christmas.
Hold that one.
Things
Push
like
it in.
Christmas.
Fucking idiot, mate. What the fuck? Dude, what are you doing? Dude, what are you doing? What are you doing?